Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can quickly check if your RAM is DDR5 or DDR4 in your laptop or PC that is running on Windows. First, press Ctrl Shift and Escape together and your task manager will open. In your task manager, click on this performance tab. That is the second button on the left navigation panel. Here, click on memory, and in memory here in the speed you will see 5200 MT. Okay, now this is the data rate. So if your RAM is DDR4, you can check this here. If your RAM is DDR4, your MT, that is the transfer rate, will be between 1866 and 3200. If your data transfer rate is between 4800 and 6400, then you are using DDR5. So in my case, as you can see, I have 5200 MT per second. This means that I am running DDR5. If you have something less than 4800, you will most likely be running DDR4 RAM. So if your MT per second is in this range, you are in DDR4. If it is in this range, you are running DDR5. I'll have the link to this image in the description. You can click on it to check this. Also, if you want to be certain, you can use other apps like CPU-Z. Now this will also help you to check your RAM and CPU stats very easily. Again, I'll have the link for this also in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.